Let's see what Home Goods has in store for us. I've already decorated my home for Halloween, but I wanted to hop in here at Home Goods to see if I've missed anything. And as you can see, they always have the best seasonal decor. And also, they are getting ready for Christmas. And speaking about Christmas, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. I am going to provide lots of Christmas content here, and I'm actually on the hunt for a 10-foot Christmas tree, and I'm not sure where to get it. So if you have any recommendations, please let me know below. I would so greatly appreciate it. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notified, and this way you'll know when I post a new video. So let's continue on and see what we can find here at Home Goods. Okay, you guys, so we are back at home from Home Goods, and before we go inside, I wanted to show you my outdoor Halloween decorations. So we have 3 skeletons, and I normally like to tell a story. So this year, instead of climbing the house, they are actually climbing a tree because we do have a little dog skeleton barking at them. And I just thought that would be the cutest story, but I have them secure here with some cable ties just so you see how I did this. But we have one climbing this tree, and I've also secured his hands up the branches so they don't fall, especially when it rains here in Florida. And as you can see, I've also secured his legs down below. And then here we have the 2 other friends, and one is waving hello, and the other one's climbing the tree. And here we have our dog skeleton. And the dog skeleton I got this year at Home Depot, and the skeletons I got at Home Depot a few years ago. But I normally do like to tell a story, and here they are climbing up the tree here. So this is our front door. The wreath I actually got at Home Goods a couple of years ago, and I added some elements of Halloween decor on it. So you'll see some skeleton, those I found at the Dollar Tree, and some black butterflies. And I think I got those at Shein, but I'm going to see if I can find similar ones in Amazon, and I'll make sure to post all the links down on the description below. The trick or treat sign here, I think I got that at Target, as well as the pumpkin. And this is how I have everything set up. Heading inside, let me take you to our coffee bar. And this year I decided to bring down all the Halloween cuppies and make sure I put them on the tier tray. This way we get to utilize. A lot of the time they just stay on the cupboard and we don't utilize them. So this year I made it a point to make them visible so we can use them. And this Simply Grateful sign my husband made. He is such an artist, and he actually drew that last year, and I did not erase it. I'm like, we're going to use it every year and put it up in our coffee station. So a lot of what you see here I got at the Dollar Tree. The ghost candle that I got at IKEA. at my IKEA finds video. So if you haven't seen that, I'll make sure to post the link to that. That was a lot of fun, so you guys can see all the fall decor that IKEA has to offer. So this is our coffee station, and it brings me such a smile to my face every morning when I make my cup of coffee and see all this beautiful display. Heading over to the dining area, this is what I've created as a centerpiece. The wicker tray I got at HomeGoods. The faux flowers are from Target, and I've also included some pre-lit black branches from, I believe it was Michael's. And this puzzle I actually got last year. We never got to do it, but this year we will definitely complete it, and I'll make sure to post the finished product in our channel here. As I show you the rest of the Halloween decorations in the house, I want to share my top habits to reset your life before the new year. I began implementing these habits this month, and I have had great results in my business as a Florida realtor and health. Whether you're looking to declutter, set goals, or create a more positive lifestyle, these habits will help you start the new year with a fresh perspective. The first one is wake up early. I've been waking up at 4 a.m. and it's been a game changer to do the things that will optimize my day. Number 2, exercise. This is the first thing I do. In the past, I would leave it for the afternoon, and guess what? It would never get done. Number 3, personal development. While working out, I make sure to listen to a positive podcast or a book on personal development on Audible. Number 4, meditation. I spend at least 10 minutes in silence or do a guided meditation. You can find lots of YouTube videos to choose from. I'll link one of my favorites in the description below. Number 5, tidy up in the morning. Set at least 10 minutes and tidy up your home before you leave work. It is such a great feeling to come home to a tidy home. If you would like to track your habits, feel free to download my free habit tracker, link below. I am planning to set up a private Facebook group to keep us accountable. If you have big goals like business goals, health goals, finance goals, whichever goals you'd like to achieve before the end of the year and need accountability, feel free to complete the form below to sign up for our free accountability group. Feel free to share it with your family and friends, and let's end the year embracing a more positive lifestyle. So this is our control station where we sort our mail and where we come in from the garage, and would like to highlight this pumpkin, which is a scent wax warmer. Right now I have a pumpkin spice scent called Scary Good, and oh my goodness, it makes our home smell so good. If you like the scent of pumpkin spice, you'll love this scent. My friend has a local shop here, and I'll make sure to post his direct link if you're interested. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I so appreciate you. Stay tuned for future holiday fun videos, and make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll know when I post those videos. I wish you and your family a spectacular Halloween. See you soon. Bye.